this is Joseph with Fitness Mindset. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a couple of tips and tricks on how to improve your overall squat technique to gain more strength using this band right here. So stay tuned. Alright team, so here I got my band tied around this pole for support. Okay, I'm going to get up inside and I'm going to place the band right around my glutes. Right there. Right in the middle. Come out. Make sure there's resistance on it so it can help pull me up. Okay. Open up our feet a little bit wider than hip width apart. Point our toes straight. Good posture. First thing you want to do is bend your knees and push your knees over your feet. Okay. Make sure your knees stay outside. Do not allow them to come in. You want to keep them open, just like that. Drop your hips. Drop your hips. Make sure the band stays on your glutes, on your bottom. Now, when you get to this point, don't allow your pelvis to do this, to just drop. That's called dumping the hips. We don't want to do that. We want to stay here so that there's resistance on our glutes, hamstrings, quads, tibialis. Everything is activated. So is your core, your abdomen, your lats. All that is a part of your core. You want to hold. If you need help, hold on to this. 1, 2, come on up. Drive through the hips. Make sure you finish by pulling your shoulders back at the top. Back down, up. This is a good way to start out if you can't perform a squat with just your body weight. Then as you get better, instead of holding onto the band, take your hands off. This will help assist you. It'll help pull you up. And it'll teach you to drive with your hips. This is the next exercise to the single leg glute bridge or hip thruster that I showed you on the corrective exercise videos.
Easy.
Team, if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my page, try these tips and tricks, let me know how they go. Quit playing, handle it.